Hi guys, I hope everyone's doing okay. We're just going to do a gel polish removal. So I've set up here with everything we're going to need. Just check you have everything. So you'll have a file. This is two-sided. You have a 180 and a 240. 240 is a little bit smoother. That's for your natural nail. 180 is to take the shine off the top of your gel polish. You'll have an orange wood stick. You'll have your foils. You'll have your cotton. You'll have a white block buffer. You'll have your little bottle of acetone. And you'll have a little stainless steel cup for soaking your cotton pads. I am going to use the lid here. I do this when I'm at home. I have like a little home supply for my own things. So I'm going to count out 10 cottons. You can just dump in whatever, you don't have to specifically count them out. But yeah, we're just going to want to soak those in the acetone. You can reuse the acetone, it's quite strong, so no chemicals or, not chemicals, no bacteria or anything can survive in it. So don't worry if you pour out a little bit too much and it doesn't absorb, you can tip it back into your bottle, that's no problem. Okay, I also have a cuticle oil here. I recommend that you pick one of these up, they are absolutely fantastic. I have a big one I use at home. You'll see it's getting a lot of loving. These small ones are available with me, so I will show you how I use that in removal as well. Okay, so I'm going to start by just buffing the top of the nail, so make sure you're using the rough side of the file. You want to just take off any shine. So when I'm doing this, I do one hand at a time if it's on myself. So you just want to take off any shine. Can you see that okay? God, I hope this has been in focus now. Yeah, so I'm just buffing the top until any shine is removed. You don't want to go back to the natural nail. You just want it to be kind of chalky looking. Make sure you've removed any shine. So once you have this done on all 5 nails, you can pick up one of your soaked cotton pads. You can place it onto the nail and wrap it in foil. This whole process is going to take you about, I'd say, 40 minutes realistically, to get the nails manicured as well. In that time you'll have your nails shaped and your cuticles pushed back, and you can do it quicker. I tend to take my time doing it, do it properly. So in doing this, you're helping the acetone just to penetrate the colour, and it will help to remove it quicker. Okay. So I'm just going to show you on one hand today. You can just do the same on both of your hands. So I'm going to place the cotton onto the finger, wrap from the bottom, just fold it over. Now, fold it that way, it's the easiest. You just want to keep a little system going and you know whether or what way you can unfold it. There tends to be a little bit of checking just to make sure it's soaked through. Sometimes I will unwrap the thumb, start working on it with shape and cuticle while the others are soaking. So acetone is quite a strong remover, so just make sure whatever surface you're working on, like you don't want to be working on any kind of laminate tables or any kind of plastic tablecloths or anything like that. Just be careful. I would probably cover it with something you don't mind getting damaged, maybe even a face cloth or an old towel or something, because if you spill acetone it's going to essentially it'll damage any paintwork or varnishes or anything like that, so just be really careful on the surface that you're doing this on. You don't want to cause any accidents. So now, have all the fingers wrapped. These need to soak for a few minutes. So yes, let's see. Yeah, I would give them a couple of minutes. In about 3 minutes I'm probably going to pop the thumb off and I will start to just gently see if there's any movement in it. Don't force it. There probably won't be too much by that stage. Usually I'd wrap all fingers and then start that process. You might get a little bit of lifting, but yeah, in a couple of minutes I'll take this off. I will just gently shape the nail, do a little bit of cuticles, and then these should be ready to kind of do the same at. Then I come back and I kind of redo the process. Okay,